The iPad is great for taking notes, and I'm going to show you how. My brother is an engineering student at UCSD, and he uses this iPad to take notes. He uses the iPad with the Apple Pencil and the app Notability. Notability has a free option, but my brother pays for the Notability Plus. I believe it's about $15 a year, but he uses it every day, so it's definitely worth the investment. When you open up Notability, you can see all your notes, and then you can also organize it into subjects or dividers. So it's literally like a notebook, but digital. So as you can see, he has his notes sorted by class. There's math, general ed, chem, and engineering. We're gonna go into his chem notes. So chem 40C, we're gonna go into carboxylic acids. So as you can see, you can take standard written text notes, or you can also draw. So for OChem, you have to draw a lot of structures and bonds, so this definitely comes in handy. You can also use different color pens, which helps organize your information or just make it look more aesthetic. Then we'll go into his midterm 2. You can see he downloaded a PDF and then edited it in here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy. So you'll take whatever PDF you want. You can import it into Notability, and then it's right there for you to edit. Then we'll go into these notes. You see that he actually has some screenshots from the textbook. So instead of having to copy the images or the figures from the book back into your notes, you can just take a quick screenshot and then it transfers right into your iPad. The Mac ecosystem makes everything super easy and seamless. Lastly, you can use the iPad as a second monitor. So it definitely comes in handy when you need a little more space, such as writing a research paper, or maybe you just want to leisurely work and FaceTime a friend. Overall, the iPad definitely comes in handy as a student, and my brother uses it every day, so he'd definitely recommend.